Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to install Docker on your Windows operating system. Okay, so let us continue the installation step. Okay, first what we are going to do is open your browser and go to google.com and type install Docker. Okay, then you will have a link saying that install Docker desktop on Windows. Okay, click on this and then just navigate to the open this page, click on the link and open the page and navigate down. Okay, so basically you need to download this install Docker desktop on Windows, so it will be available on the Docker hub. You need to log in basically to download that. So basically the system requirement is you should have a say 64-bit processor and 4 GB system RAM, and you need to enable the hardware virtualization, right? So it will be like once you if you go to the task manager and the performance tab, and you will see the virtualization is enabled. If not, you need to go to the BIOS and set it as enabled. Okay, then scroll down. Okay, so once you come scroll down, you will have installed Docker's desktop on Windows. Click on this hyperlink. It will open the Docker hub, the website. So you need to log in. So if you are first time coming to this website, you sign up and then activate your account. Then you will be able to log in. Basically the user ID, Docker ID is nothing but a user ID. Okay, when you create an account, I have already have an account, so I just given my user ID as India Cloud TV as a user ID, which is a Docker ID, and the password. Once you log in, so you'll be able to download the Docker desktop for Windows. Okay, so once click on this, it will be around 386 MB of installer file. So based on your internet bandwidth, it will take some time. Okay, once this is download, go to the download folder and click on this Docker desktop installer, and it will prompt you for do you want to want to allow this app to make changes on your device. Say yes. Once you say yes, so okay, so it's prompting saying that the prerequisite is, I forgot to inform you that the prerequisite for installing Docker desktop is Windows 10 Professional or the Enterprise Edition from this version. Okay, so if you are using a Windows Home Edition, it will not allow you to install. So I am having actually Windows Home Edition, that's why it says it's not fulfill the prerequisite. So what is the workaround? We have a workaround. There is something called Docker toolbox, which is available to install the Docker on your Windows system, which is prior to Windows 10 and also Windows Home Edition, Windows 10 Home Edition, or prior like Windows 7 or whatever the Windows version you have. Only the Docker desktop can be installed on the Windows 10 Professional Edition and the Enterprise Edition. Excuse me. Again, open a browser. Type install Docker toolbox. There's something called Docker toolbox, which is you are going to install on this Windows 10 Home Edition or the prior version. So when you say Google it with install Docker toolbox on Windows, so you have multiple options. Links will be shown here. Open a first link which says install Docker toolbox on Windows. Once you come here, again it will say the version, other stuff. Again this also has to be virtualization to be enabled. So you just check and verify that is enabled. So in my system, I just go to the task manager and go to the performance tab. So my virtualization option is enabled in my system, so I can carry forward. So just scroll down. So you'll have a steps 2, which is install the Docker toolbox. Click on this hyperlink, which will open the GitHub link, and you will have an installer. Okay, so scroll down. So the installer name is Docker toolbox hyphen 19.03.1. Okay, that's a version of Docker engine. We are going to install it. Okay, just download it. So it is around 231 MB of installer file. So based on the again internet speed, you will have some time to download it. So once it is completed, again go to the download button download folder of your system. Open this. This is the installer which got downloaded. Docker toolbox hyphen 19.0.3.1.exe. Double click on it, so it will prompt you to allow this changes. Say yes, and then you will see this option. So you can just uncheck this, or you can keep it like that. So click on next. So it will prompt you to suggest a place to basically the path to install. So you just say next, and it will just whatever the default option is coming, I'm just going to click. Okay, so in the next um, page also, I'm not clicking anything, I'm not choosing anything, just clicking next. So and then click on install. So it will start installing. So once the installation is completed, so you can actually uh, view the shortcut in a window file explorer. I just say uncheck that and finish it. Okay, and if you see the desktop, you will see the three shortcut. Okay, so basically one is virtual Oracle VM virtualbox, and Kitematic, which is the alpha version, and you see the one more the shortcut is the Docker quick start. Okay, now click on the Docker quick start, right click and open. Okay, so it will actually start uh, doing the setup. Okay, so like initial configuration. Okay, so then it is actually downloading some boot to docker.iso file. So once that is downloaded, it is going to create a SSH key for like it is creating the virtualbox VM and creating the SSH key. So it will ask you to say yes for this. Do you want to allow this to do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Yes, and then give okay. So then it is configuring other steps. Once it is done, you will see this icon, Docker icon, and saying Docker is configured to use a default machine with IP 192.168.99.100. For help getting started, check out this doc and start the interactive shell. The interactive shell is started, so you can run the Docker commands. So I just given to check the version. So I say Docker space hyphen version. It says 19.0.3.1, which is the Docker version is got installed here. And if you type Docker info, you will see this the Docker information which is got installed now. Okay, so this is how you need to install Docker on Windows machine. So I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more technology videos, and also click on this bell button to get a notification whenever I have new videos. So in my channel, I have many video playlist covering different technologies from Spark, Hadoop, and recently I put a video series on Apache Airflow and Spark data frame. And also I have a free VM. People want to quickly start the programming in Spark or Hadoop. You have already VM. You can just send us a request and I will send you the VM for free. Thank you so much, friends. Provide your feedback. We are happy to help you, and please provide a suggestion as well, so that will help larger learning community. Thank you so much, friends. See you in the next video.